Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about the national symbols of our country. First, national animal tiger, national bird peacock, national tree banyan tree, national flower lotus, national fruit mango, national river the Ganga, national aquatic animal river dolphin, national heritage animal the Indian elephant, national vegetable pumpkin, national reptile king cobra. Now let us see a few details about these symbols. First, national animal tiger. The tiger, also called Panthera tigris, is a striped animal. It has a thick yellow coat of fur with dark stripes. The combination of grace, strength, agility, and enormous power has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal of India. Out of eight races of the species known, the Indian race, the Royal Bengal tiger, is found throughout the country except in the northwestern region. Project Tiger was launched in April 1973 to check the dwindling population of tigers. 27 tiger reserves have been established in the country under this project. Now, the national bird peacock. The Indian peacock, also called Pavo tristatus, was adopted as the national bird of India on 1 February 1963. It is a colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye, and a long, slender neck. The male peacock is more colorful than the female. It has a glistening blue breast and neck and a spectacular bronze-green tail of around 200 elongated feathers. The female is brownish, slightly smaller than the male, and lacks the tail. The elaborate courtship dance of the male, fanning out the tail and preening its feathers, is a gorgeous sight. Now, the national tree, banyan tree. The Indian fig tree, also called Ficus bengalensis or banyan tree, is the national tree of India. Its branches root themselves like new trees over a large area. The roots then give rise to more trunks and branches. Because of this characteristic and its longevity, this tree is considered immortal and is an integral part of the myths and legends of India. Now, the national flower lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower and occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India. It has been an auspicious symbol of Indian culture since time immemorial. Now, the national fruit mango. Mango is a fleshy fruit eaten ripe or used green for pickles, etc. It is also called as Mangifera indica. Mango is one of the widely cultivated fruits of the tropical world. Its juicy fruit is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and D. In India, there are over 100 varieties of mangoes in different sizes, shapes, and colors. Mangoes have been cultivated in India from time immemorial. Now, our national river Ganga. The Ganga or Ganges is the longest river of India and flows over 2510 kilometers. It originates in the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. It is known as Bhagirathi River in the Himalayan region. It is later joined by other rivers such as the Alaknanda, Yamuna, Son, Gomti, Kosi, and Ghagara. The Ganga River basin is one of the most fertile and densely populated areas. There are two dams on the river, one at Haridwar and the other at Farakka. The Ganges river dolphin is an endangered animal that specifically habitats this river. The Ganga is revered by Hindus as the most sacred river on earth and worshipped as the goddess Ganga by Hindus. Key religious ceremonies are held on the banks of the river at Varanasi, Haridwar, and Allahabad, now Prayagraj. The Ganga widens out into the Ganges Delta in the Sundarbans swamp of Bangladesh before it ends its journey by emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Next, national aquatic animal river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphin was adopted as the national aquatic animal of India on 18th May 2010 by the Ministry of Environment and Forests. The dolphin is also said to represent the purity of the holy Ganga as it can survive only in pure and fresh water. It is also called as Platanista gangetica. The dolphin inhabits parts of the Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, and Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and the Karnafuli River in Bangladesh. It is also the city animal of Guwahati in Assam. River dolphin is a critically endangered species in India and therefore has been included in the Schedule 1 for the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Now, the national heritage animal Indian elephant. Indian elephant was declared as the national heritage animal of India on 22nd October 2010. This was done by the Environment Ministry in order to increase protective measures for the country's nearly 29,000 elephants. Now, the national vegetable pumpkin. The national vegetable of India is the Indian pumpkin. It is also called kaddu. It grows throughout India and grows easily as a climber or creeper. Pumpkin is good for health, especially the heart. The weight of pumpkins is between 3 and 8 kilograms. Now, the national reptile, king cobra. King cobra, also called as Ophiophagous henna, is the national reptile of India. It is found in the forests of India and Southeast Asia. It is the world's longest venomous snake, which is capable of growing up to 19 feet and may live up to 25 years. It has the ability to inject 6 ml of venom in a single bite. In Hinduism, king cobras are also known as nagas and are considered as divine and worshipped. Lord Shiva is often depicted with a cobra coiled around his neck. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thank you.